Hello, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see solutions of exercise 14.3. In the link above I have suggested video for exercise 14.1 and 14.2. You can go through it. So let us start with question 1 here. Now it is division of the polynomials. So we have to carry out the divisions here. Now this is monomial and this is also monomial. So you have to simply write in the form of a fraction, that is 28 x raised to 4 upon 56x. Okay. So now here 28 1s are 28 2s are is 56. And what about this one? Now variable, you have to subtract the power as you have done in algebraic expression, the same thing. So the remaining is here x raised to 4 upon 2x. Now this x will be move up. So it is x raised to 4 minus 1 upon 2. So the answer will be x raised to 3 upon 2. That is the answer. Now this one, minus 36y cube upon 9y square. 9 1s are 9 4s are minus 4 and y 3 minus 2, that is minus 4y. This one 66p square r cube and 11q r square. So it is 11 6 and p, okay. Then q is 2 minus 1, r is 3 minus 2, that becomes 1 and 1. So p q r, 6p q r is the answer. Here it will be 34 x raised to cube, y raised to cube, z raised to cube, the whole upon 51 x y square z cube. Okay. Now you can subtract the variables directly in your mind. If you don't want to write like this, you can do it directly. Do the subtraction of the power directly in your mind. Okay. Now this goes in the table of what? 34 is 17. So 17 2s are and 17 3s are. Now you can write the subtraction of the variables directly, that is 2 upon 3. This will be 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So z raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 2 by 3 x square y. This one 12 a raised to 8, b raised to 8 and minus 6. A raised to 6 and b raised to 4. So 6 1s are 6 2s are 8 minus 6 and 8 minus 4 is a square b raised to 4. Question second, division of a polynomial by the monomial. Now division of a polynomial by a monomial. So if the monomial is to be divided, polynomial is to be divided by a monomial, first write like this, then write the monomial or below each of the term of the polynomial. So separate it like this, upon 3x minus 6x upon 3x. Now do the cancellation of the numbers here if they are. Now here there is no cancellation, here it is 3 1s are 3 2s are and x will also get cancelled here. So the answer is here 5 by 3, 2 minus 1 is x and minus 2 is the remaining. This is the answer. Okay. In this one, 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4. So each term you divide it by y raised to 4 and subtract the power, you get this answer. Sorry. Here also, this is whole polynomial divided by 4x square, y square, z square. So the 8 is outside the bracket, so we can cancel it. 4 1s are 4 2s are is 8. Now inside the bracket, this denominator, separate it, write it for all the terms on the numerator. So here y square, like terms will get cancelled. Here x square and z square are getting cancelled. Okay. And whatever is remaining, subtract its power. Here x is remaining, so its power is 3 minus 2. Here y is remaining, its power is 3 minus 2. Here z is remaining, its power is also 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 bracket x plus y plus z. This is the answer. This one same way, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x the whole divided by 2x. First write like this. Now write the denominator separately to each of the term of the numerator. Plus 2x square upon 2x plus 3x upon 2x. Okay. If there is any cancellation of the numbers, do it. So this is 2 is getting cancelled. Here x is getting cancelled. So this will be, now this is raised to 1. It will move off 3 minus 1 upon 2 plus this will be x raised to 2 minus 1 and this will be 3 by 2 alone. So it will be x square by 2 plus x plus 3 by 2. This is the answer. If you take the LCM of the denominator, then it will be x square plus 2x plus 3 the whole by 2. This way also you can write it. This one, p raised to 3 q raised to 6 upon p raised to 3 q raised to 3 minus p raised to 6 q raised to 3 upon p raised to 3 q raised to 3. Now the variables with the same power, they get cancelled. Cancel means 3 minus 3 is 0, so it is 1, so you can cancel it. This one and here you can cancel for the q here. So the remaining are q, it will be 6 minus 3 since it is division, and minus p, 6 minus 3. So answer will be q raised to 3 minus p raised to 3. This way. So this way you have to solve your question number 2 of exercise 14.3. Now here are some more. Now we did polynomial, division of polynomial with the monomial. Now here it is division of polynomial with the polynomial in this question. First one is for monomial only. So here from these first two terms, if we can take common, we have to take it common here. So from these two terms you can take common as 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 and the whole divided by this 5. Now this 5 and 5 is getting cancelled. Okay. So your answer is 2x minus 5. That is the answer. In this one, same question, but instead of 5 it is here 2x minus 5. Okay. The same thing you have to take common in from these two terms as 5, and while writing the division the bracket get cancelled and your answer is 5. This one also, write this division in the form of a fraction now, that is upon 5 2y plus 7. Here the bracket is getting cancelled since from these two terms of the bracket you have to take 3 as common, so it will be 2y plus 7 in the bracket and 10y as it is. 5 1s are 5 2s are 2y into 3 is remaining, that is 6y is the answer. Now here first write in the fraction form and take out 3 common from this bracket, so it will be 3z minus 8. Okay. So what will we get cancelling? So z minus 8 will get cancelled. So this one 9 1s are 9 3s are 3 1s are 3 1s are. This one is x raised to 2 minus 1, y raised to 2 minus 1, rest all is cancelled. So it is x and y is the answer. So this thing you can do it directly. Now in this question again, here we have taken out common from 3 from this one and 5 from this bracket. Okay. So here a minus 4 and b minus 6 will get cancelled here. Now you can do the division of this one. This is 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. Okay. 48 1s are 48 2s is 96. So the remaining is 2ABC. That's the answer. Now question 4 again. The same thing. So this is 5, 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5, the whole divided by 2x plus 1. So here 2x plus 1 will get cancelled and the remaining is 5, 3x plus 5. This is the answer. In this one, 26xy, x plus 5, y minus 4 upon 13x, y minus 4. Y minus 4 will get cancelled, xx will get cancelled and 13 ones are 13 twos are. So the remaining is 2y x plus 5. Here also 52 ones are, 52 twos are, pq will get cancelled, r is remaining and p plus q is not there, rest two brackets are getting cancelled. So the answer will be either you can write this way r p plus q upon 2 or write 1 by 2 and r p plus q this way also. Here also now you can see y plus 4 will get cancelled and 5 ones are, 5 fours are, 20 is the answer. So it will be 4 y square plus 5y plus 3. Now this bracket cannot be split further, so this much is the answer. So here x plus 1 will get cancelled, xx will get cancelled. The remaining terms are the answer, x plus 2 and x plus 3. You can keep it like this also, or further if you want you can expand it, like multiply this with these numbers. So it will be x square plus 2 plus 3 x plus 2 into 3, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. This also you can write it. Question 5 here. Now this is a trinomial. So as I told you in the trinomial, first you have to check out first term and the last term should be the perfect square. If not, then you have to do by this method. So you have to multiply the numerical coefficient of the first and the last, that is 1 tensa will be 10, and such numbers tables you have to take that you get the answer of the middle term after adding or subtracting. Now for 10 it is 10 ones are 10 and 5 twos are 10. So 5 plus 2 is 7 here. So you have to take that number. You can't take 10 plus 1 or 10 minus 1 because 10 plus 1 becomes 11. It is not there. And 10 minus 1 becomes 9. So you cannot take that. Now from this take common from these two terms and these two terms take common. So it will be here y is common and y plus 5. Here 2 is common, that is y plus 5 in the second bracket, and the denominator is y plus 5. Okay, write the common bracket once, that is y plus 5, then y plus 2, denominator is y plus 5. Now cancel the like brackets, this one and this one. So the remaining is y plus 2. That is your answer. This one also same. Here it is 32. 1 32s is 32. So it comes in the table of 4. 4 8s or 8 4s are 32 and 16 2s is 32. But since we need 14 as the middle term, so you have to take 16 and 2, because subtracting 16 and 2 you get 14. On adding or subtracting these two we don't get 14. So you have to take this table. Now since the middle term is minus here, so you have to put minus sign for the bigger number. So 16 will be minus and 2 will be plus here and minus 32, that is the third term. Now from these two take out m common and from these two take out 2 common and you get this same bracket as m minus 16 and the rest of the terms in the another bracket as m plus 2 upon m plus 2. These are the like terms. The answer is m minus 16. Now see this one. Now it is not 1 in the first term. It is 5. So 5 20s are, you have to multiply this. 5 20s are, it becomes 100. Okay. Now you have to take such term that on adding or subtracting you will get 25 as the middle term. If you can't do it orally, you can do it by finding the LCM. So 100, 5 20s is 100. Find the LCM of 100 here. This is the LCM prime factorization of 100 here. Okay, now you can adjust these numbers to get as 25. Okay, now you can see that 25 will be 100, 10 tens is 100, 25 fours is also 100. But which term you have to take that you so as to get 25 as the middle term. So you can take 20 and 5. Okay, 5 fours are 20. All these three terms, 5 fours are 20 and this 5. So like this you are getting 25. And since this is minus, so 20 and 5 if you add you are getting minus 25. So put minus on both these things. Now take out common from this and this. So it will be 5. P will also be a common factor. P minus 4 minus 5. P minus 4 the whole upon P minus 1. Okay. So P minus 4 is one bracket and 5P minus 5 is another bracket, the whole upon P minus 1. Now in this one you can see 5 is the common factor. So take out 5 common, P minus 4, P minus 1 upon P minus 1. Now you can cancel this P minus 1 here and remaining is the answer. That is 5 P minus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Now this one, same thing. 1 16 is 16. It is 4 4s are 16 and 8 2s are also 16. But you require 6 as the middle term. So 8 and 2. We can take 8 and 2. Now since this is plus, so 8 should be plus here. Okay. So now take out common from these 2 and these 2. So it will be 4yz. Here common is z. Z plus 8 minus 2. Z plus 8. The whole bracket upon 2y z plus 8. Now some of the cancellation you can do here also. Y is getting cancelled and 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 is there. So it is 2z remaining. One bracket will be z plus 8. Other bracket will be z minus 2. The whole upon z plus 8. Now from here you can cancel z plus 8. So the remaining is, it will be 2z z minus 2. This is the answer. This one, here also you can first cancel P and P will get cancelled. P plus Q will get cancelled since it is P square minus Q square. So A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. And now the remaining is 5Q, P minus Q, the whole upon 2. Now here further no expansion we can do it. So this is the answer. Here it is 9x square minus 16y square, that will be 3x square minus 4y square. Okay. And this one will get cancelled. First do this one. xy will get cancelled and 4 1s are 4 3s are. So this will be 3. Now a square minus b square is a plus b. A plus b and a minus b the whole upon 3x plus 4y. Okay. Now cancel these like terms. So it will be 3x minus 4y. That's the answer. This one, 39y cube Now from 50 and 98 you can take 2 as common. It will be 25y square minus 49. Write its square root as 5y square whole square minus 7 the whole square. It is a plus b, a minus b. So it will be 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7. 5y plus 7 will get cancelled. And this one here 26 and 39 will get cancelled by the table of 13. 3s are and 13 2s are. And 2 1s are 2 1s are. So remaining is y raised to 3 minus 2 and 5y minus 7. So y raised to 3 minus 2 is y raised to 1 means y, and 5y minus 7 is the answer. Okay. So this was all about your exercise 14.3. It's very easy, but you have to do it with concentration. If you have any query, do drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.